Dr. Hastings Kamuzu Banda built his leadership philosophy around four main cornerstones: unity, discipline, loyalty, and obedience. These principles became the foundation of governance during his rule and were constantly promoted as values necessary for building a strong and stable Malawi. For Dr. Hastings Kamuzu Banda, unity meant that all Malawians should see themselves as one people, regardless of tribe, region, religion, education, or social status. He believed that national development could only be achieved when citizens worked together with a common purpose. Dr. Banda promoted the idea that from Jitipa to Nsanje and from Kota Kota to Mchinji, every citizen belongs to one nation called Malawi. The principle of unity encouraged peace, cooperation, and patriotism, while discouraging tribalism, regionalism, and division. Discipline was another important cornerstone in Banda's philosophy of leadership and nation building. By discipline, he meant that citizens should be hardworking, respectful, responsible, and obedient to the laws and rules of the country. Dr. Banda believed that without discipline, no society could achieve meaningful progress in areas such as education, government, business, and family life. He encouraged Malawians to value order, punctuality, cleanliness, and dedication to duty. Under his leadership, discipline was often associated with maintaining high moral standards and respect for authority. Loyalty, according to Banda's ideology, referred to complete allegiance and commitment to the nation and its leadership. Citizens were expected to support government policies and show devotion to the country's leadership. While loyalty can be viewed positively as patriotism and dedication to national unity, during Dr. Banda's rule, it sometimes created an atmosphere of fear and unquestioning support for authority. Obedience was the expectation that citizens should respect and follow authority without resistance. Banda believed that obedience was necessary for maintaining order, peace, and discipline within society. Although obedience can help maintain social order, its misuse during Dr. Banda's leadership left painful memories for many citizens. The four cornerstones of unity, discipline, loyalty, and obedience played a major role in defining the leadership and legacy of Dr. Hastings Kamuzu Banda. While unity and discipline are still widely regarded as important virtues for national development and social order, loyalty and obedience remain more controversial because of how they were enforced during the Dr. Banda's era. The Four Cornerstones remain an important part of Malawi's political history and continue to shape discussions about leadership, democracy, and national identity.